Hello guys, if you want to see what I think about the Beauty Bakery products that I have guys and how did this look guys, keep on watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Step. Hello everyone, hello guys. And for today guys, we will do unboxing and also first time using products Beauty Bakery guys. So if you can see my other video guys, the Bisaya lang, when I speak my native language guys, I use one of this product here. But for today guys, I will use some of Beauty Bakery product guys. So let me open it. And look at that guys, it has beautiful packaging, especially the pink one. I love pink color guys. So I will show you all the products guys, and I will do makeup and I will use them, and let's see if we like it this product guys or not. But since I already used one of this guys, one of this from the previous video guys, I will tell you in the end guys, so stay tuned guys. Okay guys, for our first two products in the box guys is a lipstick, and let me swatch it for you guys. So let me scoot over, and I have two lipstick, and I love their packaging is cute guys with gold accent. So I'm gonna swatch it in my hand guys so you can see the color. So the first one, and when you open it guys, it's like slide, and then I love it, gold. So this is the first one guys, and this is raspberry tiramisu guys. So, and yes, it is matte lipstick guys. So I will show you the first color. That's the first color guys. It's like brown reddish red or raspberry color. And the second one guys is, let me open it. Second one is just jelly lip whip. Oh, she's just jelly lip whip. So I will swatch it, and I didn't touch it yet guys, so I don't know what color is this. Let me swatch it for you guys. I think I will use this today. This one, it's not really good, huh? It's like you can really tell. So that's second one guys. I don't know. This is not good guys. The swatches is not good. They're like the same color, but for today guys, I will use she's just jelly lip guys. So I'll be back for the second one guys. And for our second product guys from the box is Beauty Bakery Better Not Bitter Flour Setting Powder guys, and I will open it guys. The color is oat translucent. So maybe just I love translucent powder. I have like more than 5 guys. So ooh, love it guys. It's gold. Maybe next time, I don't know if they have banana guys, the yellow powder, but let me open. Oh, okay, I love this guys, the one that you like twist it when you twist them, because it's easy to it's not a mess guys. So love it. So that's it. That is our third one in the box guys, and the last one guys is actually I didn't order this, and the Beauty Bakerie website. I ordered them in Ulta. Yes, because there's on sale. So this is InstaBake Aqua Glass Foundation, and the color is 323W. So I really hope that it match me, guys, because I didn't know this. When you open it, guys, it has like, so that's the foundation, liquid foundation, guys. So since I don't have that's all I got from Beauty Bakerie, guys. I don't have eyeshadow, blush on, contour. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I will use my other makeup, and then I'm just gonna go fast forward so I can talk about the Beauty Bakerie products that I have right now, guys. I know I don't have a lot, so I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, since we don't have eyeshadow, like I said earlier, guys, I'm gonna use Sleek, guys, and the color is Under a Spell. So this is it, guys. So I will show you what I'm gonna use, guys, and yep. Okay, guys, we are almost done with our eyes, and let's proceed to the face, guys. I already put primer, so foundation is up, guys. And like I said, guys, this is the first time I'm gonna use this foundation, so I really hope that it will match my skin color, guys. So yeah, I don't know if it needs shake, but okay. So wow, I don't know that it's small, guys. So oh, it's a pump. I love it. Wow, it looks like dark, guys. So we'll see, guys. Oh my god, guys. It's dark on me. Maybe it will oxidize, guys, but look at my face and my neck, guys. I didn't put yet on my neck. I don't put foundation on my neck, but I will put foundation later so it will match. But it's dark, guys. It's a little bit matte, which is I'm not really upset about it. It's not bad, but it's dark. The color is, I'm pretty sure I choose medium with yellow undertone because I am medium and yellow undertone. But just the first time that I have a foundation that is like really dark on my skin, guys. Ooh. Oh my goodness, guys. I don't know if we can. I'd rather have like light foundation, guys, because it's easy to, you just bronze them. But if it's darker, I don't know, guys. Let's see what we can do with this, but I'll be back. I'm gonna finish my neck and I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, I am done with concealer, guys, and I'm using Revolution, Makeup Revolution, guys, concealer, and C9, guys. So that's my concealer. And you know what, guys, I was checking the website and I guess I got it wrong, the Ulta. So I go to Beauty Bakerie, guys, and I check what color should I be, and it says 335. So 323W is not my color, guys. I don't know if I could return it. I'm not sure, guys, because I never return anything. That's why online shopping is not really good, guys. But aside from that, guys, I will set my face because it would take so long, guys. I would set 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 my face with the foundation. Let me open this, guys. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm gonna set my face with the translucent powder, guys. Uh, I'm a little bit bomb about the doesn't have strong smell. I'm a little bit bum about the foundation, guys, but it is what it is. Maybe I'm gonna put the foundation powder over my face, guys, so it has a little bit color. Use the brush, guys. Okay, let me set this, guys, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm done with my translucent powder, guys, and so far so good, guys. I love it. It's very lightweight when you put it in your face. It's like you can't even tell, but it's a little bit brightening too under my eyes when I put the concealer, guys. So sorry, it's too bright. So I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna finish my eyes. I'll put blush on, you know, all that stuff, and I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, we are done with our eyes and the face, guys. And the last step is our lipstick, guys. And she's just jelly lip whip, guys. So I really hope I like it, this one, guys, because the other one, nope, not for me. Let's see this one, guys. Really hoping this one is I think I need to put two coats, guys, because it's patchy. You can see it. Yeah, let me put a second coat, guys. It's still patchy, guys. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what my thoughts of the Beauty Bakerie products, guys, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, let's recap. And I'm sorry, I forgot to put my microphone earlier, guys, when I was talking about the lipstick. So for this product, guys, I know the what is this, like I was looking like this thumbnail, guys. So I know this what is this, the liquid foundation, guys, is a little bit darker on me, but it's matte, guys. So if you are dry, you have to put spray on it when you're done putting your foundation, guys. But it's not bad at all, guys. I know matte is good to like long lasting, but we'll see, guys. We'll see how long it will last. Maybe I will do a recap tonight before I will take off my foundation, guys, and I will tell you if I like it or not. I mean, if it's long lasting. But aside from that, guys, foundation is not bad. It's darker, I know, guys, but the Flour Better Not Better translucent powder, guys, I like it. It's very, what you call this, very light. So would say thumbs up, 2 thumbs up for the translucent powder, guys. I love them. And for the liquid foundation, I would say yes, thumbs up. But I have to return that and get a different shade, guys. But for the lipstick, guys, I know it looks beautiful on camera, guys, but this one is not sticky than the raspberry tiramisu. That one is really sticky, guys, and I forgot. Maybe I will use that again to just layer it, because the last time is like, oh my god, the color is not really showing. But this one, guys, I have to put 3 coats just to get the color, guys. But the lipstick, I would say, not for me. It's like it's sticky. It's not. I like the color, yes. It's patchy, yes. So I would say from 1 to 5, I would say 2. At least it's not 1. But this one is not sticky than the other one, like I said earlier. But I don't know what you think of the color of my lips, guys. So yeah, guys, and that's it for our Beauty Bakerie unboxing slash try it on, guys. So I don't know, guys. Let me know what your thoughts is, and if you have tried already the Beauty Bakery, guys, let me know in the comment section if you like it or not, guys. So yeah, that's it, guys, and always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.